Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss remaining part of chapter 11. Question number 5. We were discussed in previous video in figure D parallel BC, CD parallel EF, then prove AD square equal AB into AF. It means given part mentioned to prove and proof. First triangle mention DE parallel BC, D to E, DE parallel BC and EF parallel CD. Okay. In triangle ABC, first bigger triangle ABC, given that DE parallel BC, then AB upon AD, AC upon AE. In triangle ADC, ADC, in this triangle AD upon AF, AC upon AE. Okay, AC upon AE, AC upon AE common, then AB upon AD equal AD upon AF equal by cross multiplication AD into AD, AD square, AB into AF, AB into AF, hence proved. Okay, next question. Question number 6. Similar as example. Okay, now in figure EF parallel DC parallel AB, then prove that AE upon ED, BF upon FC. Okay, then first given part mention EF parallel DC parallel AB. EF, AB and DC parallel given in question to prove. What will we prove? AE upon ED equal BF upon FC. AE upon ED equal BF upon FC. Mention as it is. Then proof. Join AC and BD anyone. Okay, we join anyone. It means in this triangle in this given quadrilateral trapezium A B C D, okay, and E. Okay, now we join SAD or BC anyone, so we join AD at point O. Okay, using Thales theorem, first triangle ADC, in first triangle ADC, AE upon EC, then mention AE upon EC equal AO upon OD, AO upon OD. Okay, equation first. Again in triangle ADB, AO upon OD, AO upon OD equal DF upon FB, DF upon FB. Okay, AO upon OD, AO upon OD equal, then remaining part are equal, AE upon EC equal DF upon FB. Okay, therefore prove. Now in then given EF, DF, DC, AB parallel, prove. Okay, join B to D. Okay, join BD, intersect EF at point G. Now join AC and BD anyone, so join BD intersect EF at G. Triangle ADB, first triangle ADB, ADB using Thales theorem, AE upon ED and BG upon GD. Okay, AE upon ED, BG upon GD. Equation first. Again in triangle BCD, second triangle BCD, BCD using again Thales theorem, BG upon GD, BF upon FC. Then BG upon GD, BF upon FC. Equation second. By equation first and second, we get AE upon ED, BG upon GD common na, BG upon GD equal. Therefore remaining part are also equal. AE upon ED equal BF upon FC. Then mention AE upon ED equal BF upon FC. Hence proved. Okay, next question number 7. question number 7 is ABCD is a parallelogram in which point P is situated on the side of BC. If DP and AB are increased, then they meet at L. Then prove that DP upon PL equal DC upon BL. Okay, now first given part mention. Given part is ABCD is a parallelogram in which point P is situated on PC, and prove what will be proved, DP upon PL equal DC upon BL. Okay, this part will be true na? No, now mention DP upon PL, DC upon BL. Okay, next, according to question, mention diagram. First parallelogram ABCD, so mention parallelogram ABCD. Okay, mention parallelogram ABCD. So first mention parallelogram. In parallelogram we know opposite sides are equal, A, B, C, D. Okay, extend B to L. Now DL join, so DL join BC, intersect at point according to question point P. Okay, now using Thales theorem, AL upon BL or BL upon AB, PL upon PD. Okay, now again AB equal CD, therefore BL is also equal CD. Okay, now prove. So first parallelogram mention ABCD, extend B to L. Now join DL, intersect BC at point P. Now in triangle ALD, BP parallel AD, BP parallel to AD. Therefore, by using basic proportionality theorem, BL upon AB, here PL upon PD, BL upon AB, PL upon PD. We know that ABCD is a parallelogram, so here opposite side are equal, then AB equal DC. So replace AB by DC. Therefore BL mention as it is, AB replaced by DC. So AB equal DC, PL as it is, DP as it is. Therefore BL upon cross multiply PL DC, BL upon PL, DC upon DP. Hence proved. First part. Now second part is DL upon DP, AL upon DC. Okay, so we proved this one part na. This part will be proved taking inverse of both side. Inverse of both side means BL upon PL, inverse PL upon BL. Denominator change into numerator change into denominator. So PL upon BL. Now PL upon BL and DP upon mention and DP upon BL. Okay, now taking inverse and then PL upon DP. Now BL upon DC. According to parallelogram, DC equal AB, DC equal AB and AB equal BL. Now adding one on both side, PL upon DP plus 1, BL upon AB plus 1. Okay, taking LCM is DP. Now PL plus DP. Taking LCM of right hand side, AB is LCM. Now BL plus AB. PL plus DP, PL plus DP, it means DL. Now mention DL, BL plus AB, AL. Now mention AL. So DL upon DP, AL upon AB. Here according to parallelogram, AB equal DC, AB equal DC, AB replaced by DC. Remaining part as it is, DL upon DP, DL upon DP, AL upon AB, AL upon AB replaced by DC, AL upon DC. Hence true. Okay. Next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is point D and E are situated on the side AB in triangle ABC. Okay. Now such that AD equal BE if DP parallel BC and EQ parallel AC, then prove that PQ parallel AB. First given part mention. Given part is a triangle ABC such that AD equal BE. Next, DP parallel BC and EQ parallel AC, EQ parallel AC. Given part mention as it is. Now prove. What will be proved? To prove PQ parallel AB. We prove PQ parallel AB. Okay. Then proof or solution. It means first draw figure according to given question. In given question, ABC triangle, mention ABC triangle mention. Now D and E are situated on AB. D and E are situated on AB. So here we mention D and E. Now according to question, AD equal BE and AD equal BE. Okay, both are equal. DP parallel BC, it means DP. BC this one na, so DP parallel, it means P mention here. So DP. And EQ parallel AC. AC this one, so E parallel Q. EQ parallel AC. Okay, Q mention here according to question. Prove PQ parallel AB. Now in triangle ABC, AD upon DB, using Thales theorem, AD upon DB equal AP upon AC, AP upon AC. Okay. Now and BE upon EA, BE upon EA, BQ upon QC. Okay, BQ upon QC. So here mention PC. EA, E to A. EA means ED plus DA. So EA mention ED plus DA. BD, B to D. BD means BE plus ED, ED plus BE equal BD. Okay, both are equal. Why? Because AD equal BE. Now AD equal BE. Okay, now mention AD, mention AD. BD, BD means B to D, BD. So mention AC up equal BQ upon QC. Then we can say that PQ parallel AP. PQ is always parallel AP. Okay. Now this one mention as it is. Okay. According to this, BQ upon QC, BQ upon QC, and here AD upon AC. Okay. AP upon AC. Now question number 9. Next question. Question number 9 is in trapezium ABCD diagonals intersect each other at point O and AB parallel DC. Show that AO upon BO equals CD upon DO. First given part mention ABCD is a trapezium so ABCD trapezium, and its diagonal intersect each other at point O, and also mention AB parallel DC. AB parallel DC. What will be prove? AO upon BO, AO upon BO, CD upon DO, CD upon DO. Mention as it is now. Proof. What will be proof? Mention. First mention diagram according to given question. Okay, trapezium ABCD, AB parallel CD. Okay, construct OF parallel AB and DC. We construct OF or we construct also OE. Okay, anyone? So we construct OF. OF construct OF parallel to DC, and OF is also parallel to AP. Okay, here first mention trapezium. Now A B C D. Okay, according to trapezium, diagonal intersect each other. Diagonal intersect each other at point O. Okay, now we join OF. OF parallel to DC and also parallel to AP. Okay, now using Thales theorem in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC using Thales theorem, DF upon FA and AO upon OC. Second triangle in triangle ADB. In triangle ADB again using Thales theorem, DF upon FA and DO upon OP. Okay, both part are equal. Common part is DF upon FA, so DO upon OB, AO upon OC. Both are equal. Then proof. Now first triangle ABD. First triangle ABD. In this triangle ABD, using Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem, it means DF upon FA, DO upon OB. DF upon FA, DO upon OB. Equation first. Now again in triangle ADC. In this triangle again using Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem, DF upon FA and CO upon OA. DF upon FA, CO upon OA. Equation second. By equation first and second, DF upon FA, DF upon FA equal, then remaining part are also equal. DO upon OB equal CO upon OA. By equation first and second, we get DO upon OB, DO upon OB equal CO upon OA. Therefore, by cross multiplication, according to prudeness, OA upon OB equals CO upon DO. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay, CO. Here correction part. Correction part is in question mention CD, not CD, CO. This one is a CO. Okay. Now simply almost question based on a basic proportionality theorem. Okay, BPT or Thales theorem. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is if the point D and E are situated on the side of AB and AC respectively in a triangle ABC such that BD equals CE, then prove that triangle ABC is an isoscale triangle. Okay, we prove triangle ABC is a isoscale. In isoscale triangle, we know that two sides are equal. Okay, isoscale triangle condition is two sides of triangle are equal. Now, first mention triangle ABC. According to question, D and E are situated on the side of AB and AC. D situated on AB and E situated on AC. Okay, mention here D and E. Now join D to E. According to question, BD equals CE, BD equals CE. This part will be given equal. DE equal CE. Okay, now triangle ABC, D mention on AB and E mention on AC, join DE. According to given question, this part DB equals CE. Okay, now using Thales theorem, AD upon DB, AE upon EC. Okay, now add +1 on both side, AB equal AC because BD equal CE. Okay, now using Thales theorem, AD upon DB, AE upon EC, AE upon EC, adding +1 on both side, therefore AD upon DB +1, AE upon EC +1. Taking LCM of left hand side is DB, so DB, AD plus DB. Taking right hand side LCM is EC, now AE plus EC, AD plus DB, it means AB. Now similarly AE plus AC, so mention AB upon DB as it is, AE upon EC. According to question, given in question, BD equal CE, then their remaining part are also equal. Okay, so AB equal AC, therefore AB equal AC. Hence we can say that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal, then a triangle is called a isosceles. Okay, similar basic proportionality theorem based example number 4. In figure, QA and PB are perpendiculars to AB, AB perpendicular PB and QA. Okay, this one is perpendicular, means 90 degree, PB 90 degree, AQ 90 degree. Okay, AB equal 16 centimeter, A to B 16, OQ equal 5 root 3, OQ equal 5 root 13 meter, OP equal 3 root 13 meter. Then find length of AO and AB. In triangle AOQ, this triangle, and BOQ, this triangle. Angle A equal angle B, both are 90 degree given. Perpendicular AOQ means this triangle, BOP, this triangle. Vertical opposite angle, so vertical opposite angle. By angle similarity, both triangles are similar. AOQ equal similar BOP. Okay, triangle AOQ, sign of similar, triangle BOP. Okay, now we mention AO upon OB, OQ upon OP, and AB upon PQ, AQ upon BP. Okay, BP, AQ. Now AO, AB equal AO plus OB, AO upon OB, AO. We calculate AO and OB na, so we let AO equal x, OB equal 16 minus x, because total length is given AB equal 16. So here AO equal AB minus OB, so 16 minus x. Mention AO upon BO, x upon 16 minus x equal OQ upon OP, OQ is given in question 5 root 13, OP is given 3 root 13. Now x upon 16 minus x, 5 root 13, 3 root 13. Root 13 cancel out. 3 into x, 3x, 5 into 16, 80. 5 into x minus 5x. X transferring on same side, 3x plus 5x, 8x equal 80. So value of x equal 80 upon 80 means 10 centimeter. Therefore, we let AO equal x na, so AO equal 10 centimeter, BO equal 16 minus x, it means 16 minus 10, 6 centimeter. Okay students, thanks.